Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to fix the F11 error code on a Frigidaire stove and repair touchpad issues easily. First, the F11 code usually indicates a problem with the oven's touchpad or control panel. Start by turning off the stove and unplugging it from the power outlet for safety. Next, check the touchpad buttons for any stuck or unresponsive keys. Clean the panel gently with a soft, dry cloth to remove dirt, grease, or moisture that may interfere with the touchpad. After cleaning, plug the stove back in and try resetting it. Press and hold the clear off button for 3 to 5 seconds, or unplug the stove for 1 to 2 minutes and plug it back in. This can clear temporary errors and reset the control board. If the F11 code persists, inspect the ribbon cable connecting the touchpad to the control board. Make sure it's securely connected and not damaged. Loose or damaged cables often cause F11 errors. In cases where cleaning and reconnecting the cable don't work, the touchpad or control board may need replacement. Check your model's manual for part numbers and installation instructions. By following these steps, you can fix the F11 code on your Frigidaire stove and restore touchpad functionality. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.